Our preliminary report is that they are all way lower than 40%, but some monies have been paid. It's just that the one for the 400 bed is that it's an issue between movement from what NMS left to the county government, and we felt that the county government is slow. It has been very slow in fast tracking, depending on what the kind of figure of patients we've seen. On the canteen issue also, it was also on a build, operate and transfer, a BOT arrangement. We feel that the contractor also is letting this facility down by, it started in 2023, it's 2 years down the line, the works are lower than 40%. So yes, we agree with the findings of the Auditor General. And so we will do a proper recommendation when we go back to CTO and give the directions as far as it's supposed to be concerned. As far as the hospital is concerned, because over and being a public accounts committee, we also are representatives of the patients. We are okay with the findings that we found. The hospital is trying as much as possible with the tight resources that we have. It's important to mention that they get zero funding from the county, and so all this is the one that is generated. So we feel that a better arrangement, maybe a semi-autonomous proposal, we can give to the health committee to pursue, or a proper FIF framework, a customized one for maybe the 5 hospitals in Nairobi, not only Mama Lucy but also Magadi, Mama Margaret, and Mutwini, so that the facility improvement fund through the Health Act can also support it further, so that they are able to cater for Nairobians. It's a how much we've, as per the documents, about 400 million. I think almost a third of that amount has already been spent, or rather been paid. The contractor, of course, is out of sight. These questions are supposed to be directed at the level of the mandarins at cities, because the hospital is catering for the issues of the running of the facility. The projects, including the documents, are not with the hospital. So ours is to find what we wanted to know is the connection between the hospital and how it will assist their operations by those projects being completed. And to that extent, this facility was started with about 700,000 projection highly. Yeah, it's doing 3-4 times more.